Hello there, this is Mr. Finlayson talking from Batting Shreks. Birds, linnut in Finnish. I have made at least one bird-related video. In the end of January 2018, Black Star Vinyl had bird contest. Oh, those times. But this thread is by... This is hard for me. Chris Propfe, musically obsessed. Chris Well, anyway, Krisu in Finnish would be his nickname, Krisu. But let's start. The idea is artwork that has birds. Here is a bird that my wife made. Actually, she made many of those. Let's start with Finnish band called Disco Ensemble. First Aid Kit. This was their hit album. From this, everything got bigger in Finland. They had some gigs also outside of Finland. I think indie rock band, really energetic. I like this album because on this album they started to use this old Casio like children keyboard sounds, and it worked really well with that indie rock stuff they had. Energetic band. Nowadays the guys are doing something else. I don't remember right now what they are doing. Maybe they are watching ice hockey. Then is Harmaja and the Lento, flight. And there you can see, I would say that is, I see the bird. And I don't remember, is there inside? No. Nice if you like what was calm music, low voice with the singer, and acoustic and sang in Finnish. Then there is Amorphis. No, sorry, this isn't Amorphis. Next one is Amorphis. This is Wasp, Golgotha, and in Finnish Golgotha. And there is Bird. And this is awesome album. It's really nice that old band is still doing really great. At least I think so. At the same time, it would be really nice to have all their old ones also, because I love them also. First I thought compilation is enough, but then there is Amorphis and Beginning of Times. And as you can see, no bird. Where has it gone? And no bird. But there you see, there is birds. I don't know, is this guy Väinämöinen or who they are singing on this album? They are singing of them from Kalevala. Old Finnish stories. And then there should be 5 on this thread, so last one is Opeth, and I'm gonna do this under 5 minutes, so I have to end it now. Really nice progressive music, Opeth. Bye bye.